We got all the parts for the catch can. Just getting the catch can set up, mounted up now. Still gotta drill a hole for the other mounting point, but other than that, it's looking good. And there, be mounted up. Alright, so now I made the first line, just cut it. Just gotta put the last fitting on over here, and then we gotta make that other line. Getting the fitting on. And there we are. So there we go. Got that all situated. Now on to the next one. And here's the final product. And we upgraded the 2 boost controller fittings. And see this right here on the car. You can see now that we got 1/4 inch fittings instead of 1/8 inch.